Catching one takes experience, but this hungry rookie has another play. Forcing his opponent to fumble. Now he's just got to hold on. He's not the only stubborn teenager forced to make a steal. Warmer waters here mean salmon can spawn later, providing one last banquet. If he's to survive, this youngster will have to take his place at the table. But this time, other adults, facing lean weeks ahead, will fight over every last scrap of food. The teen has proven he can hold his own.